Welcome to my channel again. Today I have this super bright ombre nails and I hope you guys like it, even though it's really not my intention to do these nails, and I'll tell you why in a little bit.
So first of all, I have my nails painted a white color, just one coat, and I'm gonna be using a sponge for this look, so I teared a whole bunch of sponge off into tiny little pieces. And you know, these makeup sponges are just really awesome. They're just very useful for nail art, even though they're meant for the face. Okay, I am doing a 3-color sponging, bright pink, yellow, and purple. And these colors are so pretty for the spring and summer, but I think it would look even better if I replace the purple with like a light blue color. But what the heck, today it is what it is, right? So go ahead and take out your nail polish, put it on a piece of paper, and go ahead and use the sponge to put it on your fingers. And you know, do several fingers at a time. You know, I always show you guys just one finger. That's not how it happens in real life, because you take that one color, you use the same sponge, you want to do it for several fingers so that it's just way easier. And make sure you wait for each color to completely dry before you go and sponge again, because if you lose that patience, it's just gonna be so messed up and you have to take off the whole thing with acetone. I really don't recommend it. So this look is all about patience. And you know, it might be quick on camera, but trust me, whenever these YouTubers are doing nails, it never takes 3 minutes or whatever the length of the video is. It takes way longer, because especially for a look like this, because you just have to make sure that you get the spots perfect. So you have to repeat the sponging like a lot of times to get that perfect look.
Then I added my favorite glitter top coat. This just brings out so much holographic glitters. If you go into the sun, this is just gonna blind you with all the beautiful glitters. And for the next step, I was actually going to do a reverse stamping and get like a whole bunch of images on my nails, but it didn't quite work out because, well, I'm still trying to like troubleshoot how to do it. And if it works out, definitely gonna show you that look. So after that dries, I'm just adding a top coat and I'm gluing on a whole bunch of Swarovski crystals. It's pretty much like a safe. Like whatever you're trying to plan to do for the nail art, it doesn't always go as planned. So you kind of always have to have a backup plan. So that is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.